Pharisaical. Pharisaical. The word Pharisaical is derived from Pharisee, which refers to a member of an ancient Jewish sect known for its strict adherence to the written law and its traditions. Over time, the Pharisees, as mentioned in the New Testament of the Bible, came to be associated with hypocrisy and self-righteousness due to certain criticisms directed at them. Hence, Pharisaical has the following meanings. Of or pertaining to the Pharisees, relating directly to the historical or religious group. Hypocritically self-righteous or sanctimonious, this is the more common figurative meaning, suggesting an insincere or affected piety or righteousness. For instance, if someone is described as having a Pharisaical attitude, it implies that they are pretending to be morally superior but are not genuinely so. In modern usage, the term often carries a negative connotation, emphasizing pretentious or hypocritical piety.